European citizens must be at the heart of an ambitious recovery strategy. That's what MEPs say in a resolution on the future EU long-term budget and the recovery plan following the COVID-19 pandemic. Members are calling for a global package of €2 trillion of public and private investment. At its core should be the Recovery Fund, which would deliver assistance mostly in the form of grants. Parliament wants the fund to be built into the EU's next 7-year budget, set to start in 2021. The economic reboot must come on top of, and not at the cost of, pre-existing programmes. For the EU to meet these expectations without increasing contributions from member states, Parliament insists on finding new sources of EU revenue. European legislators want the EU economy to be better equipped to deal with emergencies like the coronavirus pandemic by creating a new European health programme. The Recovery Fund should address inequalities and mitigate the social and economic impacts of the crisis. This means supporting small and medium businesses, consumers, workers and families. Parliament has been adamant that the Green Deal and the European digital agenda be a priority in the next long-term budget and the recovery strategy. If its demands are not met, Parliament warns it will make use of its veto powers.